Here's our camp. This thing stayed dry. Thank God.
So here we are, and we thought we might have to call in for a rescue mission, but the rain finally stopped. There he is.
Never, no rescue mission.
I was a little worried. It was really bad all night. Thunder, lightning, and downpour rain.
Yeah, baby, this is no joke. Big Agnes test. I don't know if you can see that, but I have to use my rear facing camera. But there is an inch of water outside our tent right now.
He's fascinated by this.
This is insane. I love my tent. I love camping. I'm sick of the lightning. Look at this. Look at this. It's splashback. Kind of like the Utah bathrooms for men. Without dividers. Right here. This is what you get. Moscow Motos have done their job. Get the Moscow Moto in the rainstorm. But thanks to their separate bag inside. Outside is soaked. Inside dry as can be. Pretty awesome. Now we're just got a small lull in the rain. We're gonna try and get the hell out of here. We shall see. She forgot her husband runs Moto Camping Gear channel and Dirt Nap Dirt Bike Adventures channel. She's with the professional.
It's true. Professional. Anyway, so we're off now finally, and it's like noon, so not bad. Hopefully we get home before it rains again. Bye!
And so that was an eventful night. As you can see, the ground is wet. It rained and it poured. Tried to blow the big Agnes down, but it did not. But it is very pretty. And we need to get the hell out of here. My wife didn't talk to me all morning until we're trying to commit a crime. And that's when she has to talk to me. Hey, there's your bike.
That's my bike.
T-Dub 200, honey. Oh, yeehaw! Yeehaw! Alright.